I'm Starla with Starla Seasonings and Mixes with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game with Rich McNutt. Today we're going to be doing seasoned crackers. These are super easy to do and just take a few ingredients, and they make fantastic traveling food, or you can top your soups or your salads or just eat them by the handful. So the first thing you do is you get a pound of crackers. You could use oyster crackers or you could use regular crackers. And pour them into a zipper bag. And today we're going to be making them with my citrus dill seasoning. This one has a nice dill flavor, and then it has an orange and lemon undertone. You could also do them hot if you like things spicy with my habanero mix too. So we have 3/4 cup of oil. You can do a little less too and do like a 1/2 cup and add 1 package of seasoning to it. And then just stir that in. And pour it over your crackers. Seal up your bag. And then just kind of toss them around until they're evenly coated. This is always a job my kids love to do, so get the whole family involved. And it's fun to make different flavors of these. Once you have them nice and coated, then spread them out onto your cookie sheet. I like to use the ones with the sides, because then when you're mixing them, they don't end up all over your oven. So spread them out into a layer. And then you're going to bake them for about 10 minutes at 250 degrees. And you're going to watch them and kind of keep turning them till they're all golden brown. So they're all coated just beautiful there. So we're going to add them to the oven now. And it smells like our seasoned crackers are ready to come out of the oven. So I've been watching these and stirring these. So it took about 10 minutes to do those. And we're going to use those over our bison peppercorn ranch taco chili now. So the peppercorn ranch has been simmering about 6 hours in our crock pot. And we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of shredded cheese. You also could use some sour cream on it too. And then we top it with our seasoned crackers. Here's our nice, moist garlic cheddar beer bread. This is our bison peppercorn ranch taco chili with seasoned oyster crackers and garlic cheddar beer bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game. This is Rich McNutt. Enjoy.